See this lady here. See this lady. See this lady here. She's the cause of my, like, anyway we wanna see this lady, we wanna call me. This lady here is the cause of my breakup. Is the reason why my girlfriend left me. Because of this nonsense quotes she always talk. This anyway wanna see this lady. Me wanna look and well. Me wanna look and well. Anyway wanna see, call me. Anyway I see you. Anyway I see you. Then go enter trouble. We go enter trouble na police and then go settle our matter. Now you cause
the latest news now where they cause wahala, bows everywhere. Now Blessing CEO, the relationship therapist #1 for Africa. We don't go carry Belle. They don't give Blessing Belle. No be smart, you know. Relationship experts where they advise women how to close leg. You don't yakata like this. They load down gombe. No be smart, you know. Blessing CEO don't carry Belle, and this thing they cause wahala for social media because all the social media aunties and uncle they come and say, we talk and say, yeah, they smell. Every time you go come for Instagram, they give women advice. You have to be this, you have to be that, you have to make sure you are not to use. Now they don't use you, give you Belle. So it's quite very hilarious, and a lot of people are having Blessing online because this is like unexpected news. Relationship experts, get husband, you don't born first speaking, now they don't load you second one. Funny.
Right from when I was a little girl, I was that kind of girl that anything I want, I get. When I was young, any man I like, I pursue that person to the hole until I get that man. I have never pursued any man that I did not get. I take my time, I strategize, and I get him. So I'm going to be telling you guys how I became consistent in my craft. Yes. A lot of people, if you've watched me over time, there is something about Blessing CEO. I am a very consistent person. And most people always ask me, Blessing, how did you become this consistent? How can you keep doing this thing over and over and over again and you don't get tired? So I'm going to tell you how I became consistent in what I do. Now, when I was young, I was this young lady that I like love. Growing up as a girl, I was this kind of person that doesn't like no for an answer. If you tell me no, in fact, you've pushed me. No kind of gingers me. Anything you say I cannot get is what I want to get. So I was that kind of person that was driven by no. Yes. No simply makes me say, why would this person tell me no? So right from when I was a young girl, I was that kind of person. Now, if I like a guy, I go all out for the guy. That's what I do. Now, I'm not a desperate person. I don't do mine in a desperate way. And let me give you an instance. When I like a guy, I sit down, I plot and plan and strategize where this guy will be. Like if I like a guy right now, I'll find out where he works, I'll find out where he go, I'll find out where he hangs out. I will make sure that I'm always in his faces. I might not even tell him I like you, but I will make sure that he's always seeing me. Do you understand? I will always set myself in strategic points where this guy is going to see me. I'll always try to see how I can have conversations with him. Yes, know his friends. Yes, as young as I was, at 17, 18, 19, I could do that. Yes, it was a gift. There was no man that ever told me no. Because I take my time and plan and plot. If I want to collect something from somebody. The good thing is, as a young person, I decided to infuse this energy in something good. If I ever infuse my energy in something bad, man, that's why you see a lot of people who do bad things. They are intelligent people. When you see all these Yahoo boys and whatever, they are very brainy, because if you're not brainy, you cannot do bad things.
All right, guys. So since talking of love affair, let's talk about Blessing CEO. Now, Blessing CEO has been known for being very bold, okay? So she said, she posted this video on her Instagram and said that, it's time to let the world know that she's pregnant. So Blessing CEO says she's tired of hiding the Belle. Kukuma make she tell the world, say she don't get Belle. Anything where they want talk, where they talk. Say Blessing get mind. Now why I like the girl, the girl get mind. So waiting people they talk, they even bother am. So she just they show off the Belle. So people just they attack am from left and right. They ask and say, Blessing, relationship experts, they don't give you Belle, or say you be expert, So it's quite really very funny and hilarious. So that's the way I see it. I don't even see the pregnancy as something serious. I see it as, she, just want to show it off to to be on the news, because Blessing like attention too. Make I tell una the simple truth. Okay. But a lot of guys and a lot of women are really concerned about her Belle, because I've heard so many guys say that, this Blessing, all her advice, they mislead women. So guys, they talk and plenty. There was a guy that they posted on Gist Lover that came out to say that his relationship got sour because his current girlfriend or fiancé was taking advice from Blessing. So a lot of guys will be like, make una know they follow this lady advice. See, her husband don't pursue him for the first one. She no get husband. She dey advise una how to keep man. How the thing take one work. But finally, she don't carry Belle. Now him be the latest news wey dey. Alright guys, so hit me up in the comment section what you think. I would like to
I don see Blessing relationship therapy wey dey say make people dey close leg o. They go say close your leg, don open leg for man like that, it's not good. She don carry belle now. She don carry belle without marriage o, my people. I dey always tell una say make una no dey take advice for some of all those presenters, see, because they no dey teach wetin they no dey practice wetin dem dey teach. Dem dey always dey lie, my people. This one no shock una. Now Blessing come be the trending news now. He go carry belle without marriage, my people. Without marriage, without man no put money. As I dey talk to una now, Blessing don carry belle. See person wey dey say the Blessing CEO, relationship therapy, close your leg. Go see one man dey cry now say he don spoil a relationship. I go put the video more now see. One man don cry out now say he Blessing don spoil a relationship. A girlfriend wey himself with a manage because of Blessing, the girl don leave am. Blessing now don carry belle. You wey dey advise people, me no understand, sha. I will come because of social media presenter wey dey talk, come spoil my own relationship. Who does that? Who does that, my people? That will not be the joke with that. That will not be nonsense. I will come spoil my own relationship because of one talk. I don't understand. My people. Blessing don carry belle. I put the video more on see because I don't feel talk too much. I just want to tell una say, more than not they mind some of them. They never see their own or they advise person. More than not they mind them. I want to just get to talk about this video. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.